Hey, good looking. You want to see what we have cooking today in my kitchen? Well, grab a hold of that vine, swing on to my kitchen, and let's get cooking. Good looking. I'm so glad that you came to my kitchen today because we're doing a Tailgating and Touchdown Thursday collaboration with all the YouTube channels out there in YouTube land. And this week's collaboration video of mine that I am doing my famous Bloody Mary chili. So come along with me and let's get started. I have some bulk noodles here, and I need to measure out 2 cups of the dried elbow noodles. Alright, here is 1 cup, and then here's 2 cups. Now, I'm going to be sitting there taking some of my Bloody Mary mix here, and I'm just going to pour enough over the noodles to cover the noodles all up. Alright, I have some of my Bloody Mary mix, and now I'm just going to sit there and simply add enough until I get my noodles all covered. Let's lean you in to show you how the noodles are just covered. And I just wanted to show you, I just added a tad more. Let's grab our cover and place our cover on. Now, I'm going to come down here to the manual, and I'm going to sit there and set the time for 7 minutes. And now it's going to build up the pressure, and in 7 minutes it's going to cook the pasta all in, and we're going to sit there and do a fast release. Okay, the pressure cooker has now sounded off, so let's go ahead and let's do a quick release. Alright, let's see if it's released all the way, and it has. Now remember, always open your pressure canner or pressure cooker lids away from you so you do not get a steam burn. And here it is. Let's give it all a good stir. And I'm going to transfer it over to a different dish so we can sit there and brown up all the ground beef. So I'll see you in a minute. And here's what our noodles all look like. As you see, I put the noodles in a bowl. Now I'm going to sit there and add our ground beef to the Instant Pot. Now that I have our ground beef down inside the Instant Pot, we're going to come down here and push the saute button, and we're just going to brown up that meat. Alright, let's just break the ground beef up into little chunks and let it continue to all brown up. And at the same time, I have some chopped celery here, and we're going to add that and brown that up as well, or not brown it up. Just get it tender. Now while this is all cooking up, let's go ahead and add our seasonings. Let's go and add the chili powder. Let's add the cumin. Let's add the garlic powder. Let's add the minced dried onion. And again, the amounts will be down below, written out in the description box. Now let's add the dried minced onion. And let's not forget our onion powder. Let's grab our Montreal steak seasoning. Now, I'll be sure to leave an iCard up above in this corner so you can make your very own Montreal steak seasoning. Now I'm going to add a few dashes of hot sauce. Now you can leave this out if you want to. You're going to want to sit there and add the oregano. Now, let's give that all a good mix. And break up the ground beef as it's cooking. And as soon as it's all browned up, we'll go on to the next step. Let's go ahead and add them black beans. Let's give everything a good stir again. Now let's add a pint of Bloody Mary mix. Go ahead, put 1/4 cup of vodka in. And I want you to sit there and add maybe about a tablespoon of the pickle brine. Now, go ahead and give that all a good stir. And then we're going to sit there and add a few mad dashes of the Worcestershire sauce, or as my dear sister Cricket would call it, what's this heel sauce? And again, give that a good stir. Okay, let's stop this sauteing. Let's remove our spoon. Let's grab our cover, place our cover on, make sure our vent is sealed. We're going to come down here and push the manual button we're going to increase the time to 25 minutes. And we're going to allow it to build up its pressure. And I'll see you in 25 minutes. The Instapot just sounded off. Now let's come down here and open up the valve and do a fast release. Okay, let's see if all the pressure is released. Oh, not quite. And there, I can now open it up. Always open it up away from you so you do not get steam burns. And now I have myself a bowl here, and this is how we usually have it in our state, besides Ohio. They're the only other state that I know that has pasta, but theirs is usually spaghetti noodles. Well, right here I have some of our noodles that we cooked up before. Now I'm just going to come in here, give this all a good stir, grab a few good spoonfuls, and put this over my noodles. And now, one more step. It's not complete until you sit there and you add some grated cheese over the top. And there you go, Bloody Mary chili. Now, I'm going to sit there and give this a taste test. I know it tastes good because this is made a lot in my family. And look at all that goodness. Now, I know it's going to be hot. Oh my God, yes. That is really good. Now, if you liked what you saw here today, please give me a big old thumbs up. If you're a new subscriber to my channel, welcome. If you're not yet a subscriber, go up, hit that subscribe button, tap that little bell. That way you always be notified every time I do put out a new video. And most of all, I want to thank you for taking the time out to watch and support my videos and my channel here. And please help spread the word of my channels by sharing the word about my videos or share the videos itself. And most of all, happy cooking, but better yet, happy eatings, and y'all come back now. You hear? Well, hey there, good looking. I'm so glad you came to my kitchen today because I have a special request that I like to put out there to anybody who has a YouTube cooking channel. Now, if you like football, you're gonna love this collaboration that I am trying to start off. Now, all you would simply have to do is when you upload a video, make sure you put in hashtags Tailgating and Touchdown Thursdays, along with the description of your recipe or whatever you decided to submit. Now, I hope to see you all in this collaboration of Tailgating and Touchdown Thursdays. See you next Thursday.